Hello HVAC team, I hope everyone fit and fine. Today in this video I am going to talk about of compressor, and its video will be discuss compressor basic work, the working process. You know very well all compressor is the same working process, and the compressor is basically considered to be the heat of the any AC unit system. Compressor works to discharge low pressure vapor into high pressure and high temperature vapor. If video helpful, then you can follow.